Alright, we have another Dracula Parrot Duel game against Slejo. We won game 1. Now we're looking at game 2. We'll see what happens. Not a fantastic tree. I mean, that emerald dove is pretty cool. I don't know if it's worth going out of our way to grab it, but it could be a really amazing tempo card. And otherwise, not much. I mean, the Grandala is always cool if you have, like, Raven or something. But we'll see what we got. Let's see what we got. Not very eggy end of rounds, so... Not... Grasslands is not super appealing. Alright. Only the peaceful... Yeah, this is basically the play, isn't it? I really don't like the peaceful dove. I don't think we have a choice though. I think that just is the keep here. Guess population monitor. I really can't afford to keep this vulture. Yeah, I think this is the keep. At least the bidden is good for the second end of round, so. Question is, do I want to take this emerald dove? And it's snappled up immediately. That's fine. We'll play our bitten. And then we have some decisions to make. Like, I really need a plus food bird. A plus food bird is so valuable right now for me. Rufus Banded Honey Eater. You don't see that every day. That is not what I'm looking for. That is also not what I'm looking for. Okay. Now we have decisions. Do I just play this peaceful dove, take food so I can reset the tray a bunch? Maybe we just take some food, because these cards are pretty trash. Lyrebird. That seems interesting. It's not plus food, but it's okay. Plains Wanderer is pretty good for us as population monitor. And we'll take those. Forcefield's Bronze Cuckoo. Hmm. So I got two choices. I think we leave the tray now. I think we do dove, food, lyrebird. We're really hoping that we can get some extra cards from somewhere. It's a good reroll though. I mean, I'll quite happily take a worm rat, yeah. Or even better, worm nectar. And then we can hopefully grab that seed, get an extra egg. Seed fish, seed rat, and play lyrebird. Maybe want to do seed worm, seed fish here. In case the tray is garbage. I think that makes sense. I think we hang on to the seed though. So now where are they going to put their next bird? Are they going to put it here or here? Cassin's Finch, okay. Getting that bonus game going, fair enough, fair enough. Alright, that hawk and the collared dove both look pretty excellent. That's just an excuse to dive in. Viewers. I think we skip. That nuthatch also quite nice, actually. That just could be the basis of a game plan. I don't hate this at all. This looks pretty okay. Honestly, that dipper could be a huge bait. If they take and play the dipper, then my bitten is unlocked and I get the extra card, which is crazy good. Let's see what happens. We take this and take this as a seed. Do we play the nuthatch? Yeah, we obviously play the nuthatch first. Here comes the emerald dove. Lots of nectar being spent, and we get exactly what we need here. Probably throw the steel for efficiency's sake. You know what, we'll take this one just in case. We might as well. Hold on, does this actually work then? I think we skip this power. If I play the hawk. Oh no, I can do this because I have 2 turns remaining after this turn. So now we can play the hawk. Oh no, I've missed this. Fantastic. We'll play the hawk and then probably, I don't know, lay eggs or something. Or do I just play this collared dove? I'm not sure. Let's see what they play. Woodstock, all in bonuses. Okay, so we do have to play this hawk. So we probably just play hawk and then gamble down here probably. We could play the spotted dove here. No, I don't think that's the play. Okay. I am kind of looking at this fruit dove. Might just be excessive though. I do have to think about this next end of, or the last end of round, which how are we doing on end of rounds? Oh, we're getting creamed on these last 2 EORs. Let's see what the randoms. Okay, so that is better than the red-tailed hawk for sure. Magpie. No, they have no brown powers whatsoever. But it could be useful for population monitor, so we'll keep it at the back of our mind. Yeah, and they don't have any food, so they can't, unless they drew Eastern Imperial or something. Alright. Carrion Crow. It's a bit late for that, I think. Would be okay for them. I think if we... I think we got excellent odds. Yeah, we have excellent odds to grab stuff. What are we gonna play? I'm gonna play you. Good start. Oh, we don't have any. We don't have any eggs. Okay, that's fine. It's a problem with the peaceful dove. You still play the collar dove without concern. Maybe we do collar dove. Maybe this bagpipe is interesting to help us with this end of round here. This Black Nape Oriole could be interesting as well. Dude, they probably have ESP. Like, there's so many bonus birds. Okay, let's think about this. If I do Oriole, I'm gonna get 1 usage out of it. How useful is that? It could be quite useful. So it's gonna give me 7 points guaranteed. An extra bird for the grasslands. I might be able to make this work. This the cola absolutely helps. And the bluebird, okay. Yeah, we can dream of maxing pop monitor now. We literally can. What do I do here? We take food. And that gives us 4 nectar. That's 1, 2. So double play into you, and double play into you, maybe? Or have 4 nectar. So then we double play eggs and maybe double play again. I think we want the food in that case. This magpie is no longer useful. Okay, I expend 1 here. The other goes on the Plains Wanderer because we can double play. I think just double playing to Plains Wanderer is fine. Or at worst, the collared dove. Yeah. Yeah, our plan has to be, like, if this is ESP, they're gonna score so many points. So we use this, the cola into black-nipped Oriole. Actually, I probably need to take food here. Yeah. Yeah, our plan is to play these 4 birds, I guess. To do that, I should probably focus on getting this owl down. No, maybe the collared dove is useful. Yeah, this is difficult. We should probably plan out our next 7 turns then. So we want to play. So we want. I think we have to get this collared dove into the game as soon as possible. Like this is literally our win condition. So we ought to prioritize that. Then we double play into Plains Wanderer, max out Pop Monitor, get another bonus card, and we also want to get this Horned Owl into the game. So yeah, Horned Owl is kind of iffy. Like the Horned Owl is the one thing that's like, if I could play it now, I would, but I can't. Oh, and I also need to lay eggs to make sure this will actually work. So okay, that's a complication. That's a complication. Alright, so that's made things much more difficult for us. I think the play then is try and discard a Nectar so we can try and win that. And just try and maximize our Peaceful Dove on this turn. Yeah, this is not... I think we've bungled this endgame. I think we take a rat here. Do we? We take a berry. Yeah, I think the end game now is just play the owl, double play into Color Dove, play this. But it's gonna be a bit tight on eggs, but that's fine. Unfortunate. Unfortunate. Yeah, can I even get everything down? E4. I have 7 food. That's not good. Oh dear. We have to play Plains Wanderer then. I have to play Plains Wanderer. Wow, we really messed this endgame up. Who really messed this up? Is Collared Dove Wanderer better? It's for... two... 3 caches. Versus just... versus just double play and lay eggs. Double play lay eggs is actually better. And taking food may even be a better option. Because potentially 3 points, potentially 2 points, yeah. This is guaranteed 4. Yeah, problem is these are a lot of bonus cards. And we do think one of them is ESP. ESP will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 points. Yikes. Yeah, this Ariel is not the good play. I got a little bit... I don't know, maybe it will be. If it ties the end of the round. There's 1, 2, 3. It's okay. I think it's taking a while here. I wonder what they're calculating. Tui. Ah, they won the nectar there. That's fine. That's not the end of the world. Oh, getting 5 points off site selection. I'll take that. They might just have to egg, which is still good for them, but... Oh, maybe not. Maybe they're going to... Maybe they have Says Phoebe. And they're going to use the Tui power to lay 2 eggs here and then play Says Phoebe for 5. Yeah, they'd just have enough food to do that. Yeah, I'm not thrilled about our effort in this game. I think that we haven't really fulfilled our potential here at all. Just 1. Alright, we get 2. It's fine. Alright, you need to hit for me. Thank you. You need to hit for me. Oh well, we tried. Can't really do either of those. Yeah, not our finest outing. Okay, at least they can't overtake in the grasslands. I think here, I mean, like, it has to be Tui. It has to be Says Phoebe, right? Red start. Ah, okay, red start for 3. It still gets us a tie. Okay, interesting last play. Interesting last play. Alright, let's see how we do. I don't think this game we played very well, so it'd be an absolute miracle if we can get through this. And we do, what the heck? Yikes, what happened? Wow, that is the most unfortunate set of bonus cards I've seen. I could have sworn they had Mech Engineer. Wow, okay. Really didn't expect that. I mean, we misplayed pretty badly. I don't know if this RL was good or not, but yeah, we should have kept an extra seed so we could have played the Collared Dove and then tucked stuff in the Collared Dove. That would have got us a lot more points than what we ended up getting, but still, this game was a bit screwy. It's always that case of the Peaceful Dove opening. Like, it's just not a good column 1 bird, but we didn't really have any other choices, and the bin didn't find the things that we needed to find, so all in all, we did enough, and that's all you can ask for at the end of the day. So well played to my opponent, but yay, I guess.